Can I coordinate colors between seaborn and network? I'm trying to coordinate colors on a network chart with the colors on seaborn charts. When I use the same color palette, dark 2, and same groupids, the two plots still come out different. To be clear, the nodes in group 0 should be the same as the bars in group 0. The same should hold true for groups 1 and 2. Here is the chart I get when I run the code below, showing that the colors don't remain consistent. When I run the code below, in the network plot, the colors for group 0 are the same as they are in the count plot. But groups 1 and 2 change colors between the network plot and the count plot. Does anyone know how to coordinate the colors? I have compared the color mappings in plt.cm.dark2.colors to the mappings in sns.color_palette dark2, 3, and they appear to be the same, besides the fact that SNS only includes the first 3 colors. Also worth noting, seaborn is following the expected order of colors, network is not.
networkx distributes the values equally over the colors of the color map. Since it apparently cannot take in a norm, which would be the usual way to tackle this, you would need to create a new color map with only the colors you're interested in. Also, seaborn will desaturate the colors to be used, so to get the same colors as with the color map, you need to set saturation equals 1 in the seaborn call.